Good morning, children. Now we have to learn class 6 chapter 4 basic geometrical ideas. It is the lesson name basic geometrical ideas. In the geometry, whatever is there that we have to learn, children. Okay, key concepts is all we have to remember in the before the lesson. We know this all. We can understand how to draw the geometry lines, how line segment you have to draw, what is the point, what is the line obtained, and what is the ray, and what is the triangle. All we have to learn, children. Now one by one I will explain for you. You have to write. Now you have to write and learn, keep concentration on board and write in the class work, children. Properly you have to write chapter 4 basic geometrical ideas. You write the heading and key concept, all you have to write. After next class I will give some sums that also you have to write, children. Okay, now we will start. A point determines a location. What is a point? A point determines a location. Point, where is the point? Determine the location. We will find, children. It is usually denoted by a capital letter. Point always denoted by a capital letter. That also you have to remember, children. I will draw the line. See, P is a point and the line L. One line is there. Where is the point? See here, anywhere. Here if you keep the dot and write P, this is the point of P, point of Q. Whatever spelling also you can give, children. That spelling must be right capital. That also you have to remember. Okay, next line. A line segment is formed by joining two points. Joining the 2 points, then it will have line segment. You can draw, children. It as a fixed length. The line segment is fixed length. Draw a line segment 4 centimeter. Draw a line 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Before classes we learn. Previous classes in 5th class all we learn. 4th also we will get, 3rd onwards we will get the draw a line segment. That only continue. This definition also you have to write in the 6th class, children. A line segment is formed by a joining 2 points. It has a fixed length. Line segment is a fixed length. See how we have to write A, B, O in up. You have to write the like this small line. Is a line segment. See, A, B is the line segment. We short, we have to write this one. If we see this one like this is the line segment line. You have to find, children. Now next, this understood? Now we go for 3rd point. A line is obtained when a line segment extends on the both the side indefinitely. See, indefinitely line. This side also it will move and this side also it will move. Points P, Q is the point. See, the line N is obtained when PQ is extended on both the side indefinitely. Here also continuing. Here also continuing. How much line you can draw, but this is not a fix. This is the fixed line. A line segment is fixed, but line is extending. Okay, left side also, on the right side also. Okay. Now next point, children. A ray is a portion of a line starting at a point and goes in one direction endlessly. See, one ray, draw a ray field, you starting at one point and moving any direction, one straight direction endlessly. This is not end means. Ray means continue the line, children. Understood? This definition we have to write. A ray is a portion of a line starting at a point and goes in one direction endlessly. We have to learn, children. Now next, see how we have to this OA. What is the OA? OA is a ray. It starts at O. Here we start and move one direction in endlessly. Okay, and passes through the point A. Like this we have to passes through the point A. Pass will move that side. Okay. Now sixth point, children have understood. This is the point how we have to put the line, and what is a line segment, and what is a line, what is a ray. Now we go for, see, every angle divides in the plane and interior, exterior and boundary. Interior means angle, we know children, angle we know the angle we know, no children, this is the angle. Okay, now interior means inside and exterior means outside. See, boundary means here. Some spellings and they will ask, giving children A, B, C, and they are asking what are the interior in this angle. A, B, C is the interior of this angle. Now B, E, F. We can say that D, E, F is the what are the exterior points of this angle. They are asking D, E, F is the exterior of this angle, and they are asking boundary also. See, on the boundary here is there F, here P, Q, R. Then write the boundary of this angle. We have to write P, Q and R is the boundary of this angle. We have to write, children. Understood, children? What is the interior part of the angle? What is the exterior part of the angle? And what is the boundary of angle? They are asking in afterwards. I will explaining some exercise, no? Examples also I will exercise also I will teach for you, and examples we will understand what is the interior and exterior and boundary. Okay, now we go for after angle. Now next we will go triangle. A triangle is a simple closed figure bounded by 3 line segments. See, bounded by 3 line segments. What is a triangle? A triangle is a simple closed figure. Simple closed figure bounded by 3 line segments. Are you understood, children? 3 line segment. Now, this a triangle has a 3 vertex, 3 sides and 3 angles. 3 vertex also is there, 3 sides also is there, and 3 angles also is there in the triangle. That, see what in this picture, figure is there, no children? This figure, what is the vertex, what are the sides and what are the angles? I will explain for how we have to write it. See, A, B and C are the vertex of the triangle A, B, C. This A is B and C is the vertex of this triangle. A, B, C triangle they gave. Write the vertex of this triangle. They ask you, what are that one? A, B, C are the vertex of this angle. Now, what AB, this AB, BC and CA are the side of the triangle. These are sides, no? Sides of the straight lines, no? That we have to write AB, BC and CA are the sides of the triangle ABC. ABC triangle is there. What are the sides of ABC triangles? AB, BC and CA is the sides of this angle. Now they are asking angle. They are asking and last 3 angles. This is angle BAC. This C BAC angle we can draw on like this angle. We have to drawing now that one we have to count it. BAC is the one angle and ABC is the one angle and ACB is the one angle. Are the 3 angles of the triangle ABC. What are the angles of this AB angle? We are asking, we have to write the angle ABC. Okay. Next, ABC one and and BAC बने angle, and next ACB are the three angles of the triangle ABC. Understood, children? Now these are the key concepts of the basic geometrical ideas. You have to write chapter name and continue. All you have to write first before this point, and next class I will explain for you some sums, children. That also you have to write in the classroom. Okay, whatever sums not giving, that you have to write the homework side. Whatever giving on the board, you have to write in the classroom. Okay, children, understood? If you have any doubt this chapter, you call to me, I will clear your doubt. Otherwise, we are coming to school and you come to